my name is Sandy. I'm the sales representative of YOTA Cycles. We are Taiwan-based manufacturing factory. Our founder started his business 30 years ago with rubber electronic components. 3 years ago, he started go into the bike industry with assembly e-bike or high standard bike. Our main markets are in Europe, also US and Australia, those countries as well. We have a new factory located in Nantou, Chaotun. Currently, we have 2 wheel assembly line and then 1 passive assembly line, 1 negative assembly line, and 2 pre-assembly line. This year, we have developed a few city bike, 1 trekking bike, 1 gravel bike, and a mountain bike. We also have the e-cargo bike as well, and those are our new model for this year. We are the OEM and ODM factory. This year we have capacity about 40,000. We are investing in our second constructions, means we'll have the other 4 to 6 assembly line. So after 2 years, we will increase to 80 to 100,000 per year. If you have any demand for ODM, OEM, please contact YOTA Cycles. Thank you so much.